How to log in Canva with Microsoft account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to Canva with Microsoft account. In order to do so, first of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once in the browser, in the search bar, you will need to type in canva.com, which is the official URL of Canva. Once after entering this keyword, press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Now within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Canva. In this interface, at the top right, you will be able to see login button. Simply click on it and then you will be presented with this pop-up. Here, you will not be able to see the Microsoft account. Simply click on this continue another way in order to reveal all the sign-in options. Now from here, you will need to locate continue with Microsoft and then click on it. Now you will be redirected to the Microsoft login page. Here you will need to enter your Microsoft account credentials such as your email and password. Enter your email address in this field and then click on the next button below. You will also need to grant permission for Canva to access your Microsoft account if prompted. Make sure to enter the correct password in this field and then click on sign in. Here you will need to authenticate the permission, and once it is authenticated, you will be logged in to your Canva account. Now wait for a few seconds and here you will need to enter the code that is sent to your Microsoft account. Once after entering code, it will start verifying the code, and once it is successfully verified, you will be logged into your Canva account. So this is how you can log into your Canva account with your Microsoft account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.